Hello guys, today I want to show you how to fix unlock your data on any device error. Here you notice that on my Google accounts, use your screen lock to unlock encrypted data including your passkeys on any device. So basically recently I have turned on the on device encrypted feature. Here I see the message because recently I have removed the screen lock, that's why I see this exclamation sign. So I want to show you how to fix this. So I want to show you first the steps which helps you to successfully access this page. So first thing, make sure you need to simply open up any Google service like Play Store. Now tap on the Google account password, then tap on manage your Google account. Now tap on security and sign in. Here you need to simply scroll down below, so you will find the password manager. You need to simply tap on this one. Now tap on settings. Now scroll down below, so here you notice that I have accessed this settings. Now you need to simply tap on use screen lock. So here you find the information about the use your screen lock for encryption. So you can use your screen lock as another way to unlock your encrypted data. So you need to simply tap on use screen lock. So here you notice that you are all set, and now you can use your screen lock as a key to unlock the data encrypted on your device. So I have already set the screen lock, so now I have just enabled the settings, and here you notice that when I tap on done, so you notice that the error is successfully fixed. So with the help of this process you can easily fix this error. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.